Now, the Office of the Children's Advocate has launched an investigation into an incident at Vere Technical High School where a teacher is alleged to have used a piece of PVC pipe to beat a Class 3 student athlete. As Keon Rayner reports, the incident, which is alleged to have taken place just under 2 weeks ago, has reportedly left bruises on the child.
I'm feeling pain in my hands and my legs.
A 13-year-old Vere Technical Class 3 Middle Distance runner speaking with the TVJ Sports last Tuesday as she left the doctor's office in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The student athlete alleges she was beaten by the physical education teacher at Vere Technical on Thursday, November 1, after she refused to participate in track and field training, and her mother, Anne-Marie Palmer James, is upset.
She's telling me now that the child have potential and don't want to go training. I told her she should contact me because she have no right to lick him, and the school back her. From my understanding, the school back her because up till today, the principal didn't say to me that she's sorry about what she do or anything. It is the vice principal, and everybody is just trying to cover it up.
Palmer James has since reported the matter to the Hayes police station after not getting anywhere with the school authorities.
Angry, miserable, I'm terrified, and I'm not stopping until I get justice out of all of this because some crazy things going on in school and sometimes we don't know about it, but it has just happened to me now and I understand everything, and I'm not stopping until I get justice for her.
A member of the JCF with the Hayes police station who confirmed receiving the report from Palmer James has indicated to TVJ Sports that they have since started to investigate the matter. When our news team arrived at Vere Technical on Monday, we were blocked from entering the premises to speak with the principal, Antoinette Banton Ellis. Reacting to the incident, having seen photos of the injuries sustained by the 13-year-old student athlete, children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison, who described the incident as unfortunate, says she has launched an investigation into the matter.
This is a matter that clearly would attract the attention of the Office of the Children's Advocate. Thanks to the media, I've already actioned it in terms of having my Director of Investigations view the photos, and our intention, of course, is to probe the matter, see exactly what has taken place since this incident came to light, and really just try to have all the evidence collected so that if there is someone who is to be held accountable, we can identify who that is, and the process will take its course.
TVJ Sports also sought a reaction from President of the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISA, Dr. Walton Small, who was unaware of the matter.
What can happen is that if the person who is involved here is found guilty of child abuse, then ISA, with its disciplinary committee, could look at the possibility of not having such an individual being in the ISA organized competition. But outside of that, we can't do anything. If he or she is found innocent, then it is business as usual.
Gordon Harrison also said there is also the possibility that the matter could end up in the courts.
On the face of it, this would be assault occasioning actual bodily harm. Just on the face of it, I haven't seen a medical yet to determine if the injuries are more serious. But usually this is a matter that would end up in the criminal court.
The student athlete has since been transferred to Heidel High. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.